Hey guys, Will here. I just want to update this video for the DNS. We have your default GoDaddy homepage here. You would have something up here with the little kind of dice keypad symbol that says My Account. Here you will do the quick links to domains. You'll select the domain you want. This bar will light up. It says DNS. We're going to manage the DNS records. Right here, when you go to update your type A record, the top one, that data, if this says parked, then you will delete it. If it does not say parked, there'll be an IP address in here, and you will not delete it. You will just leave it alone. But if it says parked, you will delete it, like so, and then it disappears. Then the second thing is under type, when it says CNAME, we're looking for the one under name that says www. So we have CNAME, www. Yours will say your own domain name in there until you edit it to say target.clickfunnels.com. So when you hit edit, originally yours will say your own domain name here, like this, and you'll simply delete that value and enter target.clickfunnels.com as your new value. You'll save that. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to go down to the forwarding. In the forwarding, you'll add forwarding under the domain. Here you'll have HTTPS, and your destination will be your own domain name starting with www. I'll put again your domain name here. Okay, this is where you'll type your own domain name. You can leave this on permanent 301 and you'll save that. Okay, so this will say your own domain name. Obviously I don't want to keep that, so I'm just going to delete mine. That was just for demonstration. And then that is all you have to do. You're completely done. If you get something that says that your name servers are not correct, then that means that you've probably used this domain for a different website, and we have to change your name servers back to see, mine is already part of GoDaddy, so it won't give me the GoDaddy option. However, if you're using other name servers, on this page, it'll give you the option to go back to GoDaddy's default name servers, and that's what you will select. You'll save that information. Once that information is saved, you can then proceed with your forwarding or even changing your DNS. All right, guys. Thanks so much. Again, reach out to me with any questions. Happy to help. The whole thing takes just a couple minutes, super fast, super easy. So if you have any questions or hiccups, just let me know and we'll get you through it and get your site up and running. Thanks.